Depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
It feels so miserable. I mean, the experience that you are experiencing is para siyang unending na loop. Para siyang walang katapusan. Alam mo yun, parang hindi na matatapos itong sakit at pain na nararamdaman ko dahil ang ex ko ay iniwan, sinaktan, pinagpalit, inalipusta ako. That is a very unending experience that you are experiencing. And I will tell you the truth. Ang experience na yan ay sobrang sakit, sobrang hirap. That is why yung psychological instinct mo is gumagawa ng paraan, gumagawa ng way para makahanap ng solution to get out of that shit. You are experiencing it and you're almost losing yourself from that thing. Ang ginagawa mo ngayon is tinatry mong humingi ng advice, tinatry mong humanap ng paraan, tinatry mong napupunta ka ng YouTube para lang makapanood. You are trying your very best, your very hard just in order for you to not feel that one. Because right now, that's what you are feeling all about. Yung nafe-feel mo ngayon is talagang durug na durug ka at sa particular na parte ng buhay mo, gusto mo parang ibalik yung ex mo kahit durug na durug ka na. Meron kang same thing na nararanasan and you cannot get out of that one. And that is why I'm here to give you an advice. Overall, alam ko ang gusto mo. Ang gusto mo lang naman is hindi mo ma-feel yung sakit na yan at makamove on na. And at the same time, gusto mo magmakaawa siya, bumalik siya. Kahit hindi na kayo magbalikan sa long term. May mga ganun pa eh. Basta ang importante lang is lumuhod siya, magmakaawa siya, makipagbalikan siya sa'yo. And that is why kaya ako nandito. And I'll go ahead and give you the advice that you really needed. First of all, I just want to say it to you. Kung gusto mo talagang ibalik ang ex mo, maraming strategies dyan. Pero lahat ng strategies na nababasa mo at napapanood mo sa YouTube kung kani-kaninong dating coaches or relationship coaches ay iisa lang. Ang tema nila, ang gusto lang nila, change your system. Palitan mo ang sistema mo, kung saan ka nagmumula, kung saan ka nang gagaling. Palitan mo yung mismong pundasyon ng buhay mo. Change your lifestyle system. That's my very point. I-change mo yung system ng lifestyle mo at lahat magiging better, lahat magiging okay. Ikukumpara ko ito sa isang sasakyan na sira ang makina. Kapag sira ang makina, yung buong sasakyan hindi siya aandar. Kahit sabihin mong kompleto sa ilaw, kompleto sa bling-bling, maporma yung sasakyan, may mugs, merong bagong gulong, kahit gaano pa kaganda yung mga lights niya sa harap, at kahit gaano pa kalamig ang aircon niya, walang kwenta yan kung hindi yan naandar. And that's my very point of view. Lahat ng tungkol sa kotse is walang silbi kahit anong modify at forma niyan kung ang makina niya sira. Kahit hindi mo naman palitan yung mga bling-bling na kung ano-ano basta palitan mo lang ang makina mo. Or change your system. You need to have a new system. You need to adapt a new habits. Kailangan mo ng mga bagong habits. Kailangan mo ng mga bagong pagkakaabalahan. It is an opportunity to realize that there are multiple things that you've never did before. Abay, kung yayamanin ka, baka naman hindi mo ugaling mag-travel ng ibang bansa. Baka maybe this is the time or an opportunity to travel alone or to travel with your friends. Or maybe mahilig ka sa sports pero hindi mo ginawa noon. Baka naman gusto mo mag-aral ng tennis or gusto mong mag-bowling. Mga something like that you never did before. Yung iba, boxing or anything, martial arts or something like that. There are plenty of opportunities out there. You've never seen this before. And this is the right time or this is the main opportunity na i-transfer mo lahat ng energy, depression, and anxiety mo sa mga bagay na will give you more purpose, meaning. So you will not get bored. And maybe this is the time that you need to change your system, your thinking, your habits. May nagtatanong sa akin, paano ba makamove on, coach? Siguro time goes by, makakamove on ako. Tama ka. Lilipas ang panahon, you just need to trust the process. Pero kung hindi mo babaguhin ang system mo, kung ang sistema mo nung naging karelasyon mo siya, Ang gamit mong system is yung dati mong system ng buhay. Nagbago lang, wala na yung ex mo. So, tinatry mong mag-adapt. Hindi mag-work basta-basta yun. Kasi yung system mo, hindi mo naman siya binago whole. Hindi mo naman siya binago ng buo. Parang nawala lang yung ex mo. Parte yun ng system mo, kaya ka nasasaktan. Yan yung lifestyle system mo nun. Nandyan yung ex mo. Kaya ngayon wala na siya, sa lifestyle system mo, sakit na sakit ka, durug na durug ka, lumpong-lumpo ka. Kaya, I advise, change your lifestyle system. I-modify mo. Siguro dati, nung you're naive, you're immature, hindi naman kasi nasusukat ang maturity sa edad eh. Merong mga 50, 40, 60, kahit anong edad ka pa, may part sa'yo na immature pa rin at hindi ka nag-mature sa part na yun. Maybe itong part na to. Yung system mo, hindi mo siya inayos. Yung system mo, umiikot sa bisyo, umiikot sa mga kung ano-ano. Walang something like improvement, business, or something like valuable or desirable about you. You don't have a plan to bring legacy, to make a purpose. You don't have a dream. Maybe this is the right time or the main opportunity to change everything about you, to change your system. And when you change your system, kahit one day lang, kaya mong kalimutan yung ex mo, basta yung sistema mo nagbago na. Kasi dun sa bago mong system, magre-require yan ng bagong codes, mga bagong, alam mo yun, mga bagong information, parang magre-require yan ng mga panibagong bagay na hindi na included yung ex mo. Para siyang latest version ng isang cellphone na wala na yung ganitong application, na hindi nag-available yung ganitong settings. Kasi bago na to, ito na yung pinaka-latest. Di ba? Kung naaalala nyo dati, yung mga cellphone gumagamit ng infrared. Pero dahil nagbago na ang system, hindi na infrared lang gamit. Naka-Bluetooth na, naka-Wi-Fi na. Tama. So, my very point of view is nagbabago ang system. Yung mga dating kailangan ng system mo, hindi na niya kailangan ngayon. Dahil yung system mo ngayon, may mga bagong kailangan na. And that's my very point of view. If you want to change your life, you need to change your system. And I will dare you and I will tell you the truth. That is the most attractive thing that you can do in your life. Whether you're ugly or you're magandang lalaki or middle something, I'm not trying to discriminate anyone. Hindi naman ako ganun kagwapo talaga. But my point is, that is the most attractive of all. It's more than the face value. Ang face value kasi sa una lang eh. Malilimutan at malilimutan din ang face value. Paglipas ng panahon, mas ma-appreciate mo sa karelasyon mo kung paano siya makisama sa'yo. At kung paano kanya itrato, kung paano kanya kampihan, at kung paano kanya alagaan. At the end of the day, ang may mas magandang lifestyle system ay mas magiging attractive at mas makaka-attract ng mas marami. So that's my point. Naka-move on ka na-attract mo pa yung ex mo pabalik. At wag mo na siyang babalikan, please lang. Okay? Anyways, sa mga gustong humingi ng advice for personal one-on-one coaching, I advise, yeah. Let's have a talk. Thanks for watching.